All right, and my name is Thomas. This is the progress that I've made on the W3 Schools website, learning HTML and CSS. As you can see, I've completed both of the tutorials, 100% on either one. That means that I've gone through and done each of the questions in each of these sections. And also did the exercises going along with them. 75 lessons, 106 exercises, and 30 practice quizzes. I took a little bit of practice quiz. There was a quiz at the end of the lessons, and there was also these practice quizzes which seem to be open-ended, going on forever. I did not do the forever quiz. Excuse me. And here's the CSS. As you can see, I also did all the lessons and, inside all the sub-lessons. So 127 lessons, 138 exercises, a little bit fewer on the practice quizzes here because I kind of figured that that was not the same quiz that you were asking for in the syllabus. What did I think about these classes? I felt that there was a lot of information. The presentation was somewhat dry in the sense that it's a reference book. It's the definition, the format, example, definition, format, example, and oftentimes the attributes would be similar for the different elements. Everything had a bottom left, or border left top, or top right bottom left, so border padding top right bottom left, margin top right bottom left. So in that sense it was kind of repetitive, but it was also very detailed, which I guess is really good. So you can learn exactly what the capabilities are of the different elements. Especially in CSS, there's so much that you can do. I didn't realize. Everybody learned how to do web stuff in the 2000s, back when that stuff was first coming out, 90s, late 90s, early 2000s. And there was some CSS back then, but it wasn't this advanced, I feel. Like with focus and animations and the transformations, I'm stunned as to what can be done. I thought most of that had to be JavaScript or something. So I'm very interested in continuing this class and learning more about the capabilities of what the average web person is. Like I said, I played around with this around the turn of the century, and instead focused more on Linux administration and a little bit of coding of the harder languages. Or not to say that HTML and CSS are not difficult, but you know what I mean. Anyways, I'll stop fidgeting and get to submitting this. I'm really excited about this. I think that this is going to be a great class, and that we're going to do a lot, learn a lot. Thank you.